What's up, guys? Coming back to you again today. It's Adam with Investor Boardroom. Another episode talking specifically about real estate investing, multifamily real estate investing, with the goal of helping you become a better investor, a better real estate investor, and to help you get one step closer to the ultimate goal of financial freedom. Today, we're going to be talking about some value add initiatives that our team frequently does. Certain areas of properties that we are almost always investing capital into. It might surprise you. Before I get into the meat and potatoes here for today, I want to just go ahead and ask a quick favor. Do us a solid. If you get value from this video, like it, share it with anybody else that you think may benefit. If you get a lot from these videos, I'd highly encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This way, every time we have a brand new video that comes out, boom, you'll be notified about it right away, and you won't miss any of the awesome content that we have coming to you on a consistent basis. So, with that being said, value add multifamily is what our team at Investor Boardroom really specializes in and focuses on. We love large multifamily properties. We're talking 100+ units is what we're striving for. Gives us a lot more consistency in terms of revenue. It's a lot less volatile than your single family rental properties are. We love these 100-unit and up properties. We can afford full-time staff on site, full-time leasing agents, full-time maintenance people. That's what we really specialize in. Okay, rental real estate where people are going to live there. It serves a basic human need. That's, again, what we specialize in. Now, when we're looking for value add, there's a lot of different ways that we can add value to a property. But the reason that we're looking for a value add opportunity is it allows us to buy the property at an attractive cost basis. So we have a good price going in, we can add value to the property, and then we can create some additional value and create some equity and cushion in there that allows our investors and our team to profit. Think of it like we've all seen the house flipping shows, right, on HGTV. We're essentially looking to do a massive flip, except we're doing it on a 100+ unit apartment complex, and the property will actually cash flow while we're doing our value add program, while we're increasing the value of the property. So there's a lot of different ways that we can add value to a property. Multifamily properties are evaluated based off of the income that they generate, not sales comps. So the way that we add value is by increasing the income that a property will generate. We can do that essentially in one of two ways. We can increase the income that the property produces, or we can decrease the expenses. In our experience, we own 6 complexes now, over 400 units, about $33 million assets under management. What we've learned is the business plan that has revolved around decreasing expenses is not an easy business plan to execute. Generally, you have kind of minimums of expenses that you can get away with without it negatively impacting the overall performance of the property. So the only way that we really view chopping expenses as being a viable business plan and a way of adding value to a property is if the current seller that we're acquiring the property from is paying a lot of the utilities, that we can actually pass those expenses off to the tenants. In most cases, we're looking to increase the income that a property is generating, which we're going to accomplish through increasing rents, perhaps bringing in pets where pets weren't allowed, collecting pet fees, having additional amenities that you may be able to charge for, laundry, things of that nature. Okay, so we're looking really specifically to increase the value and the income, that the property is generating. Now, one of the easiest ways to do that is through physical renovations at the property, sinking money into the property in order to be able to charge more for rents. Where we generally put the bulk of our capital, now of course every single deal is different, but in every single deal that we've done, we have invested a significant chunk of capital after acquisition into the exterior of the property. This is a little counterintuitive with fix and flips. If you're familiar with those in the single family space, you're generally putting the bulk of your money into the interior of a property. Multifamily is a little bit different. We're constantly looking to boost and improve our curb appeal, because the better that a property looks from the outside, the more people that property is going to attract when they're out looking for apartments. When we have more foot traffic coming onto the property, that results in more applications. More applications results in more qualified tenants. More qualified tenants allows us to be able to charge more in rent. Supply and demand, right? The greater the demand for our property because of the improved curb appeal, the easier it is for us to be able to push rents. So there's some very frequent areas that we are looking to put money into from an exterior perspective. We're looking to invest into the parking lot. So we are repaving and restriping parking lots frequently. We are updating the exterior, the paint job or the siding. So we're investing to spruce up that exterior. We're investing into landscaping. We're investing into lighting. We also are investing into sidewalks and roofs. So we're spending quite a bit of money on the exterior. We just closed a property. Today is March 20th. We closed a property on March 1st, and we are looking to do roofs at that property, parking lot and driveway at that property, and then some landscaping there as well. We bought a property last year that we closed on in September. We replaced every single roof on that property. We're currently in the process of replacing all the fencing around that property, and the entire property is getting a fresh paint job and a facelift there. So we're really big believers in investing a significant amount of capital into exterior renovations. So if you ever are looking at investing into a deal with us, do not be surprised if you see $500,000 to $1 million allocated for exterior CapEx improvements. Really important, huge belief of ours that we need to improve that curb appeal to get more foot traffic through the property and allow us to really push rents and maximize returns for our investors. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.